Choosing the right folding carton box. Not all folding carton boxes are built the same, so how do you choose the right one? One way to differentiate them is by how they open and close. Whether it's tucked, locked, or glued, there are benefits to each. There are two types of boxes, where the top and bottom both tuck in to close. Straight tuck end boxes are the most popular style, where the top and bottom lids close in the same direction. Reverse tuck end boxes are similar, except that the top and bottom lids close in opposite directions. If you're looking for something stronger, consider a box with a locking bottom. Snap-lock bottom boxes have an interlocking closure that securely folds into place without needing glue. They're also called a 1-2-3 bottom because you can put them together in 3 easy steps. Auto-lock bottom boxes also have an interlocking closure, but they're reinforced with glue for extra durability. They are easy to assemble. Just pop the bottom into place and start packing your products. Seal end boxes are the most secure of all the options, making them ideal for food and health products that need extra protection. Because you have to glue the top and bottom shut, these boxes may require additional equipment to assemble. Still not sure? We've got you covered. Reach out to our folding carton specialists and we'll help you pick the perfect fit.